Here's a quick tutorial to put a couple pieces together that don't necessarily go together. So here's a shield that I want to fit on that arm, but they don't technically go together because there's two arms. So we're going to take off this part and then overlap these parts. So first, I'm going to make a cube. I'm going to bring that cube over here. I'm going to put that basically in the spot where I want, and then I'm going to make it longer than the arm I want to get rid of, and wider than the arm I want to get rid of. We're going to make it just about bigger than the arm. And then I'm going to bring it to the front to where that arm is. Oh, got some extra stuff, but that's okay. I'm going to go here. I'm going to make it bigger than that arm. And I'm just doing a real dirty version of this. So I want this to be a little bit farther out so it doesn't cut off any part of that shield, really. And then we're going to do this. We're going to put a little line here, and I'm going to move this part. We're going to go out just to cover up that little chunk that was there. And that's probably going to be good enough for what I want. Although, here, we'll do this as well. Just go a little bit farther that way. Then it cuts off some of that extra part. Now, I'm going to select this first, select this second. We're going to do Control Shift minus sign on the numpad. And that should delete this section from the shield. So it's not super pretty, but it should be good enough for us to put against that arm. So then we're going to move this into place. Oh. Let's go a little bit this way. And kind of right in there. We need to rotate it a little bit, bring it back up. It's a little bit off still, but it should be fine for what I want. So I might push it a little bit back, but that should be good for now. So basically, that's it. Then you just do Control Shift plus, Control Shift plus, and that will connect the pieces. And now we have one object. Boop, boop, boop. So, easy peasy. If you want more of these types of videos, let me know down in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.